Alright guys, so if you want to screen record on iPhone with your own voice with microphone, this is the video will show you how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, you need to just slide down to find out this control center or the notification panel. So you need to scroll down. Then from here you will see on the left upper side you will see this plus icon, so you need to tap on the plus. Then you will get the things like that. Now you will get add a control button in the bottom side. You need to tap on that option. Now as you can see, we got search controls option. You need to tap on that, and then from here you need to search for screen recording. Here is the screen recording, so you need to tap on the screen recording. Now you can simply select this one, make it bigger like this, just do as you're wanting, and then simply go to and slide up like this, and now you got the screen recording option. And now simply tap on the screen recording, and the screen recording will be enabled with your own voice with the microphone. So I hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.